In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Banggood App 2025, step by step. If Banggood pages aren't loading correctly, product images look broken, or the site feels slow or stuck, clearing your cache in Google Chrome is a quick fix that often solves it. The cache is a temporary storage of images and files your browser keeps to speed things up. Over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted, which causes glitches. Let's clear them out so you get a fresh, smooth experience. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and tap or click the three dots. This opens the main menu. From here, go into Settings. In the Settings page, find and select Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome stores controls for cookies, site data, and the cache we're about to clear. Choose Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options for what to remove. Make sure cached images and files is selected. That's the key item that refreshes how Banggood loads. If you're still having persistent issues after clearing the cache, you can also select cookies and other site data. But keep in mind that removing cookies may sign you out of websites and reset preferences. If you're not troubleshooting a stubborn problem, start with the cache only. Next, set the time range to all time. This ensures you remove any old files that might still be causing conflicts. If you only clear a short time window, lingering older cache can keep the issue around. Once you've confirmed the selections, click or tap Clear Data. Chrome will process the request, and depending on how much has built up, it may take a few moments. When it's done, fully close Chrome to complete the reset. On a phone, swipe it away from your recent apps. On a computer, quit the browser, then reopen Chrome and head back to banggood.com. The first load may be slightly slower than usual, and that's normal because the browser is downloading fresh files. After that, pages should feel cleaner, product images should render correctly, and the overall experience should be more responsive. That's all there is to it. You open Chrome, went into Settings, navigated to Privacy and Security, chose Clear Browsing Data, selected cached images and files, optionally included cookies. If problems persisted, set the time range to all time, cleared the data, restarted Chrome, and returned to banggood.com for a fresh start. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll fix most display and loading hiccups in just a couple of minutes.